Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a LUT in DaVinci Resolve, step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open DaVinci Resolve and head to the Color tab. Now open the LUT panel and you'll see the LUTs listed. If you've applied a LUT to a clip, it will be visible here. Let's take a closer look at the clip. You can see that the LUT is applied and it's making the clip look a little too dark. To remove the LUT, simply go to the node where it's applied. Right-click on the node and choose Reset Node Grade. This will remove the LUT and return the clip to its original state. Step 2. Now if you want to reapply a LUT or choose another one, right-click on the clip and you'll see the option for LUTs. You can pick a different LUT here and it will be applied instantly to the clip. Step 3. If you want to remove this LUT, just click on the LUT option again and you'll see a check mark next to the one you selected. Simply click it again and the LUT will be removed. And that's it. You've learned how to remove a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.